Alright, next let's look at this LK screen protector, case friendly. Don't know what that means. Watch using our installation video. I was looking at the reviews and the installation video seemed to be unclear, or they were using a different phone. So this is for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has a lifetime warranty. If at any time your protector is scratched or damaged, or are simply not happy with it in any way, just email with your order ID. We will resolve your issue, provide replacement, or offer a full refund to you. That's hopeful. But I've yet to experience that, so I have no idea what their warranty is actually like. So in the box we have, what's this? Get an extra free, some spam. Don't worry about that. Okay, so we have a sticker pack with the plastic squidgy thing. Looks like some alcohol rubs. We have these foam sticker things. We have 3 of those. That's interesting. This is the warranty card that they were talking about. This is the product information. It's in German. Don't understand it. Stop before installing. Watch our video. Oh, I guess this is it a 2-pack? 3-pack? Yeah, this is a 3-pack. So there's 3 screen protectors. So if I screw up on the first one, I have 2 to back up. Have a look at the actual screen protector. Okay. Film starting line. I might just check out the video just to see what's going on. Okay, so I'm back after watching the tutorial video that they linked me. Was it lkcase.com pages/phone film. Very cheesy video, very cheesy music, but it got to the point. So basically what I need to do is I need to use the wet wipe, clean the screen, wet wipe 2 to dry the screen, and then I need to take this, pull tab 1 off. What else was there? Oh yeah, I need to use this dust sticker to take any dust off of the screen. And then, yeah, there's like a 3-step approach. Oh, I found out what the foam is basically a blocker. So when you have to push it up, your phone up against something to keep it firm when you're using this squidgy. So it's a combination of squidgy and the protector itself. Alright, so let me just get set up with that. Just put everything aside. Fast forward this. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I don't need my case. Seems to be in the way. So we'll put the case back on later. So this is the phone. First we need wipe 1. Yeah, so this is got alcohol on it. Oh, this is really wet. I mean, yeah, makes sense why they have the drier one. Okay. It's almost like pouring water on top of it. Step number 2 is to use this dry wipe. So they're labeled quite clearly. So this is just a dry wipe. So this will absorb all those droplets. Just giving that a good scrub. Make sure I get the edges. Just take a look. Don't want to grime up anywhere else. Ah, there's still streaks. Let me keep wiping it down till the streaks are gone. Okay, so that's streak free. Number 2. Next we use, actually I didn't notice them using this guide sticker. Don't know if it's necessary. So what they did was just to take off any dust specks. This is just basically a sticker. I mean, seems overkill. I mean, you could just use some tape. Just get the middle. Let me just take a quick look. Okay. Alright, now I gotta put this foam thing. I wonder if I could just use this and just pop it up. I'll do it the way they say on the video anyway. So I removed the sticky thing on the back. I'm gonna put that here. Let's push that firmly. Yeah, that's pretty good. So it stays put. The next is we need to remove the film. Like so. So this is the film that goes on top. Oh, that's very sheen. I don't know if I should touch that, but it splits in half. Okay. So I need to line this up. And I'm supposed to use a squidgy to press it down. A lot of bubbles there. Okay, I got it now. So what you need to do is you need to pull up this tab and this green part will start coming off. Okay, and you're supposed to put the squidgy behind it. Okay, this is just... So while you pull this off, you squidgy it in, like so. Not bad. There's a bubble right in the middle. Might be able to push it out from this side. A lot of bubbles up top here. So this is what came off underneath. So you pull it and then this flaps up, releasing like so. So it was kind of confusing. Okay, might have to, okay, so taking the flap off. Okay, let's see what we can do. So next one is number 3, which is the same on the other side. So you push forward like that. Should we try to grab this green part here? Pull that. Oh no. It's filthy. So I noticed a speck of dust, so I just want to catch that before I move on. So squidgy. Squidgy. More bubbles formed in the middle. Wasn't expecting that. It's not perfect, but I noticed the screen size tiny bit smaller than the actual full screen size. So step 4 is to take this off. Okay, most of the bubbles were in that layer underneath here. Okay, that midsection is kind of annoying. Still has loads of bubbles. It says use your thumb to press it out. Just gonna put this underneath because the camera keeps bumping. Yeah, this is much easier. Putting a cloth down. I think that's just dirt. I'm gonna try and lift that up. Yeah. I'm just gonna do a spot here. So I just did a spot dust removal. Created way more bubbles. The original spot is gone, but I created some extras. So they say to use your fingers and push this down little bit by little bit. Use your fingers to remove any of the bubbles, which is very difficult on the edge. Yeah, I got loads of bubbles here. Other side. Okay, the edge, very difficult to put. Oh my god. They just fingerprints? Yeah. Fingerprint magnet. But it's okay, it's just a screen protector. those fingerprints. And then last is to use this dust cover. It's weird. There's like a line right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this one another go. It's not bad. I don't know where these just popped up again. I think that's dust. Okay, so if you notice here, slight gap, maybe 2 millimeters. Here, another 2 millimeters. But yeah. Okay, so that's the protector. Let me just wipe the back and put the case back on. Where's all this dust coming from? I'm gonna give the inside of this a wipe as well. More dust. Not bad. This dust bubble seems to have gotten in there. Yeah, that's not coming out. I'll probably redo this again. What I noticed straight off about this case is because it's kind of like sticky, the gel is kind of sticky, it actually attracts a lot more dust. But protection side, I think this is going to be really good. Okay.